Good afternoon, everybody. Today is September 24th. I'd like to share this plan with you. It seems to be pretty successful. This Phalaenopsis. I bought it 2017 on the August, I believe so. It has been blown for me almost 10 months. Yes, it was a very, very good plan. And you can see the leaf are so beautiful and big too, very elongated on this one. And at that time, I saw the root was very good because by looking at outside the pot, it was in bark, but actually inside was under the bark. Inside the center was a moss, spinal moss. So somehow the root already decayed and you couldn't see it from outside. But look outside, covered with the bark, the root was very healthy and look healthy. But just after flowers, so I decided to check it out and to see how you look like. But it found out it's no good. So that's what I decided. That's about 2 months ago, and I decided to transfer to water culture. And you can see when I first take it out, and then there was only this much root left, and just a few, and some of the root that without the protection of it on that, you can see that. Actually, that was after water culture. It decayed, but I was determined and to try to work with it because I do have a couple of plants very is successful as well. Beginning not as well, but later on was pretty good. So I was clean out all these roots, and you get better. And I keep the water like about 2 inches at the bottom. And the beginning, this two leaf were a little bit wobbly. Seems to be maybe water is not enough water because the root system not as great. But this just about 2 days ago, I saw this wonderful thing happen. This new leaf come out, and also I just live up to show you that new roots come out. And then the bottom, you can see that new roots, the new shoot, green roots coming out from that last section of that root. It's a new shoot come out. So that was very encouraging for water culture. I almost transfer all my Phalaenopsis to water after actually I do have a couple of plants pretty good, and they've been new leaf coming out. So that's why I like the water culture orchid, because I love the orchid for a long time ago, and I do not have a very good successful with the old fashioned in keeping to the medium, because mostly is because the root rot and that we couldn't see it. And after beginning of this year, I just have a chance to look in YouTube, and surprisingly, and that you can keep your Phalaenopsis in water. That was a shot for me, a shock for me. So that's why I've been transfer all my orchid to the water culture, and slowly that's more successful, and that's wonderful, and that's what I like to share with you. And next one of it, you can see this one is very beautiful too, and this one is latest bloomed orchid, and it just fade away about beginning of September 2018. So And beginning of that, I was trying to just repot them. It seems to the small pot is too small at that time. But when I take a more close look at it, and actually they are not in the bark, because the same thing like this one, outside was a bark, but inside was a spandrel moss. So some of the root decayed, and but not like that one, because I rescued it earlier. You can see they still have a pretty much good roots intact, and some are very good and big one, and the bottom of root was still good. So, and I do have some issue in the medium, those one, and I would just take care of it later and clean them out next time I change the water. But this one, I keep this one. It's pretty good too, and then you can see by the afternoon sun go into this study room, and you can see this huge leaf and grows so healthy and so nice. And usually by this time it's a little bit um, dry in the air, and warm little bit in this room is actually west facing. So I will give a little water and to give a spray to create a humidity, but just lightly like this water, and just lightly spray the leaf a little bit and create a humidity, but not a lot. Careful, and you don't want the water go into the center of that leaf. And also I do dilute a very light solution in the other bottle, and that's a fertilizer, okay, fertilizer that you bought in the market. I think I follow the strand, half of a strand, 1 gallon, I believe, is a quarter or 1/8 of the fertilizer. But I even diluted more, so that way I put in this water bottle, and I can spray this as well, and lightly, almost every day in the summer, very dry summer day. So that's why this leaf come out like this big, and then I can see the new growth, encourage new growth on the leaf, new leaf. That's how the result is. So that's, I thought it would be nice to take a video and just share with everybody, and just record this event. And I do hope this information will help, and I will try maybe update another month, see how this grow coming out. And hope you like today's sharing, and if you like it, please give me a thumb up or subscribe my channel. And thank you for your watching. Have a good day. Bye. See you next time.